All right, we've cut to live visuals. Remember, today is the day when the last rites of Dr. Manmohan Singh are going to be conducted. Mortal remains are going to be taken to AICC headquarters any time now. And we have Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, who have reached the AICC headquarters. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, remember, his last rites will be held with full state honor today at the Nigam Bodh Ghat. That's a public cremation ground in Delhi. Top politicians likely to attend that funeral today, from President Murmu to the Prime Minister himself. And at the moment, we have Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who have reached the AICC headquarters. Niyamika, my colleague, joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, over to you. Take us through these visuals coming in.
Well, right now we are standing here at the AICC headquarters, and just a few minutes before, the CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi had arrived here, and now it seems like Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are arriving here. You can see the visuals as Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are here at the AICC headquarters to attend the mortal remains of the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh are now going to be here any moment at the AICC headquarters and to pay their respects, to pay their tributes to the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. The top leaders of the Congress party are arriving here in AICC, as Miss Sonia Gandhi is also already arrived here, including the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is also here at the AICC headquarters, and not just the CWC members but all the Lok Sabha MPs, Rajya Sabha MPs, all are just waiting patiently for the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh here at AICC. I would also like to show you the visuals that you can see. It is the former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot who can be clearly be seen in the visuals, and Ms. Sonia Gandhi has already arrived at the AICC. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is also here at the AICC headquarters. In the visuals you can see that it is Mr. Imran Pratap Gadi, Mr. KC Venugopal, Ashok Gehlot, along with Mr. Ajay Makhan. All of these leaders are just waiting patiently for the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Not just the top Congress leaders, but in fact there is a massive crowd which is currently waiting outside the AICC headquarters for the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh, as they had also come here in the early in the morning, as they also want to pay their respects to Dr. Manmohan Singh. That is the only reason why.
You're right, and this is the last journey of Dr. Manmohan Singh. The country obviously is giving their last salute to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Isha, take us through when we can expect, his body to reach AICC headquarters. Anytime now we are believing that the body or the mortal remains will be reaching the AICC headquarters, where you have the top Congress leaders from Sonia, Rahul and Priyanka and others who are present there.
Right, absolutely. In fact, shortly the body will be reaching the All India Congress headquarters. Currently, on our visuals, you can see live and exclusive visuals of Manmohan Singh's convoy, which is now moving out from his residence, and you can see the body is clad in white flowers, and several garlands have also been placed in it. You can see that Manmohan Singh's family is also sitting on the truck ahead of us. I request my camera person Amil to show you here the visuals, the frame, and you can see that this is Manmohan Singh's family, and they are moving towards the All India Congress headquarters, where Manmohan Singh's body will be available for the public to pay their homage, to pay their respects. And you can see here on our screens, in fact, all Congress leaders, all top Congress leaders, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, are currently at the All India Congress headquarters, and the convoy of Manmohan Singh, it is being protected by several CRPF guards as well. You can see that a rope is also here to protect the convoy from any stray incidences that can take place. And this entire convoy, there are several cars as well which are going alongside the convoy of the former Prime Minister of India, of a man of few words. You can see here that the convoy is moving at a very slow pace, and several other trucks as well will be joining the convoy shortly. In fact, you can see here that there are several, and in fact the personnel is also clearing out the media from the roads, so as to make sure that the convoy can pass without any issues, without any problems. But you can see here on our frames live and exclusive visuals of the former Prime Minister of India, his his mortal remains being taken to the All India Congress headquarters. You can see that towards the other side as well, the entire traffic has been stalled for the convoy to pass through, to make sure that the convoy can pass through without any traffic passing as well. That is where the other side of Manmohan Singh's residence is, and throughout this is a park towards the right as well. You can see that several posters to pay respect to Manmohan Singh have been placed as well, which have been placed by the Congress. But he was a man of few words and a man who did way more than he spoke about, and you can see by the number of people who have gathered here, and that speaks volumes about his legacy that he's leaving behind, because he was the one who believed that education can pull India out of the days of darkness, and he managed to do so. He managed to bring forward several reforms that made India a better country, that made India a more progressive country. And he was a man who was respected across all political parties, despite different political opinions. And as we saw yesterday as well, despite the BJP being an opposition party of the Congress, despite staunch war of words erupting between the two of them all the time, the BJP, the Prime Minister, Home Minister, JP Nadda, the BJP President, everyone came to the residence of Manmohan Singh to pay their homage. In fact, the Prime Minister in Parliament also spoke very highly of Manmohan Singh, stating that despite his ill health, he managed to come to the Parliament to vote, and that speaks volumes about how committed he was to Indian democracy, how committed he was to making India a better country. And despite the fact that he had poor health, but there are several instances that several people who interacted with the former Prime Minister recount, and they state that he was an extremely kind man. He was a man who was very open to wit and humor. He was a man who was very okay with jokes being made on him, despite the fact that he had such a senior position. In fact, his former bodyguard spoke about how he preferred to travel in a simple Maruti 800, despite the fact that he had the convoy of a Prime Minister, despite the fact that he had several fancy cars, but he wanted to travel in a small Maruti 800, and that speaks volumes about how simplistic of a man he was. In fact, there are tributes have poured in from across the country, across the world as well. US has also come out and paid their tributes to the Congress leader who has now passed away yesterday. He passed away at the age of 92 at the All India Medical Sciences at the
exactly, and you're right.
It is being suggested
Mortal remains are being taken to the AICC headquarters. Rahul and Priyanka are at the AICC headquarters. The top Congress leaders, from Mallikarjun Kharge to others, are present at the Congress headquarters. That's where the body is going to be taken. Next, obviously, the last journey, Dr. Singh's last journey has begun. The nation is paying its tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh. We are leaving you, viewers, with these visuals. Our focus on Dr. Singh's last journey is going to continue through the course of the day, slipping into a short commercial break.